Today I am going to discuss some concepts related to matrix, that is chapter 3rd of NCERT 12th Mathematics. Those concepts will be covered in part 4 today. Now come out to point number 15 here. Cofactor matrix equal to, let a general matrix capital A equal to, open square bracket, the elements of first row 5, 4, 8, the elements of second row 3, 7, 6, the elements of third row 1, 9, 2. Capital A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then E, capital A, raised to the power capital C, is called cofactor matrix. The cofactor matrix will be written as A raised to the power capital C. How to find out cofactor matrix from a normal matrix capital A? Cofactor matrix of a matrix A equal to, notion will be capital A raised to the power capital C. You can refer my video part 3rd. Therein I have explained more concepts related to matrix on 2nd October 2020. Here capital A raised to the power capital C is the cofactor matrix equal to, opening of square brackets, plus 1. Here you can see plus 1. Plus 1 is a constant here and fixed here, into minor of element 5. Element 5 here you can see. This is element 5. Element 5 plus 1 here is a constant, will always be written with sign here plus. Don't write 1 here. Always you should write plus 1. Don't write 1 here. Always write plus 1. Into minor of element 5. This is the element 5. The element 5 का minor will multiply to plus 1. Always write here plus 1. Don't write only 1. Here you can see minus 1. Minus 1 will be written here, that is constant. Here minus 1 is a constant, will always be there, into minor of element 4. This is 4. Here plus 1. Here whatever digit will come, that digit will always be plus 1. 1 के पहले plus लगाना, that has got more importance. Plus 1 into minor of element 8. 8 is here, minor of element 8. Second row, here minus 1. Here minus 1 will always be written as minus 1 here. Into minor of element 3. This is element 3. Element 3 का minor will multiply to minus 1. Here minus 1 is a constant, will always be written here minus 1. Here plus 1 will be written We shall not write here only 1. We shall write here plus 1 into minor of element 7. This is element 7. So element 7 का minor will multiply to here plus 1. And here you can see minus 1. Minus 1 here is a constant will multiply to minor of element 6. This is element 6. And third row we shall proceed. Plus 1 will always be there. Will be multiplied to minor of element 1. Here you can see element 1 is there in third row, first column. Minor of element 1 will multiply to plus 1 here. This one minus 1. Here minus 1 is a constant will always be there and will be written here minus 1 will multiply to minor of 9. Here you can see in third row and second column the element is 9. This one 9. 9 का minor will multiply to minus 1. And here plus 1 will always be there will multiply to minor of element 2. This element 2 equal to open here square bracket. Here you can see plus 1 will multiply to minor of 5. We will get the result here minus 40. Minus 1 will multiply to minor of 4. We will get the result here 0. Plus 1 will multiply to minor of 8. We will get the result here 20. Minus 1 will multiply to minor of 3. We will get the outcome 64. Plus 1 will multiply to minor of 7. We will get the outcome 2. Minus 1 will multiply to minor of 6. We shall get outcome as minus 41. Plus 1 will multiply to minor of 1. We shall get the outcome minus 32. Minus 1 will multiply to minor of 9. We shall get the outcome as minus 6. Plus 1 will multiply to minor of 2. We shall get the outcome as 23. You can also refer my video part 3rd dated 2nd October 2020. Therein, I have completely explained how to get cofactor matrix from the minor matrix. From these two displaced concepts have already been explained in my video part 3rd dated 2nd October 2020. Now come out to point number 16. In point number 16, we shall get transpose matrix from the matrix cofactor matrix A. Here you can see matrix capital A raised to the power capital C. This is the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix का transpose. We will get this one will be written as capital A raised to the power capital C whole के power capital T. This is the notion of transpose T. T means transpose. T capital T means transpose. Transpose of cofactor matrix equal to. Here you can see in cofactor matrix first row is this one. This first row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Third row will become third column. In the transpose of cofactor matrix, first row goes to first column. Second row goes to second column. Third row go to third column. Now come out to point number 17. Adjoint matrix of matrix A. Here you can see matrix A. This is the general matrix, this one. General matrix A, general matrix A. का adjoint matrix will be equal to transpose matrix of cofactor matrix, written as like this, equal to adjoint matrix of capital A. Comes out to this complete value. Point number 18 is determinant of matrix A. Matrix capital A, here you can see general matrix capital A is of order 3 cross 3. Number of rows here is 3 and number of columns here is also 3. So you have to get determinant of matrix capital A equal to, in short determinant can be written as date in bracket capital A equal to, this is the notion of date, date A equal to, now you have to find date of matrix A. This is matrix A का date you have to find. So what to do here? Here you can see first element here is plus 5. So here you can see plus. Here plus sign is constant, fixed here. Here plus sign is a constant and will always be written here plus. And here you can see plus 5 is there. Here plus 5 is there. So I have written here plus 5. After that, plus 5 का minor will be 7692 will multiply. After that, this minus sign is constant will always be here. Here minus sign is fixed, that is constant will always be written here minus. And this second element is plus 4. So I shall write here plus 4. Then minor of plus 4 will be, minor of plus 4 will be this one 3612 plus here plus sign is fixed, here plus sign is fixed, constant. After that we will write here plus 8. Plus 8 is here, the plus 8 we shall write, and after that we will multiply to minor of plus 8, this one. This is the expansion of determinant of matrix A in row Y. This is row. First row plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8. Here plus sign is fixed, plus minus plus. These are the constant will always be written here plus, here minus, here plus. After that, date A equal to, here you can see this plus will come here at this place, and here 5 plus 5 can be written here 5, and this one you can see 7 and 2 are there in Principal diagonal. Principal diagonal elements are 7 and 2. We'll multiply together. We will get here 7 into 2. Here minus sign is fixed. After that, we shall get the element of reverse diagonal 9 and 6 will multiply together. 9 and 6 will multiply together. After that, this minus, you can see here this minus, I have taken this one. This minus will be written here, there, this place. This plus 4 can be written as here 4. And similarly, the principal diagonal elements 3 and 2 will multiply together. 3 will multiply together. This minus sign is fixed here. And after that, the elements of reverse diagonal 1 and 6 will multiply. 1 and 6 multiply together. And after that, here plus sign. You can see here this one. Plus sign is fixed here. Plus sign is here constant. Plus sign is fixed here. So here write plus sign. This plus 8 will be written as here 8. And again, principal diagonal elements 3 and 9 will be written like this. 3 into 9 will multiply together. The principal diagonal elements 3 and 9 will multiply together. The 3 into 9. This minus sign is fixed here. And after that, the elements of reverse diagonal 1 and 7 will multiply together. 1 and 7 multiply together. After that, you will get date A equal to plus 5 I have written. In bracket 5 I have written. 7 will multiply to 2. 7 to 14 will get. Minus sign here fixed. 9 6 I will get here 54. I have written. This minus will come at this place. Plus 4 plus 4. Here 4 is there I have written. 3 to 6 it will come. And 1 will multiply to 6. You will get here 6 minus in minus I have written. And plus 8. You can see this one. Plus. The plus I have written. And 8. This 8 I have taken. This 8 I have written this one. And 3 will multiply to 7. You will get here 27. Minus 1 and multiply to 7. You get here 7. Imply that date A comes out to be this element will become 5. And 14 minus 54. You will get here minus 40. This minus will be written at this place. 4 will multiply to 0. 4 will multiply 0 because 6 minus 6 comes out to be 0. Plus it written. 8. 8 will multiply to 27 minus 7 comes out to 20. The 8 will multiply to 20 here. Date A equal to, if you do the operation here, plus 5 will multiply to minus 40. You will get here minus 200. Here minus 4 will multiply to 0 comes out to minus 0. And plus a written. And 8 will multiply to 20. You will get here 160. Implied that date A equal to minus 200 plus 160 comes out to date A equal to minus 200 plus 160. You do the operation, you will get here minus 40.